If you are over 60 and not using your knitting to protect your memory and bring in an extra $200 to $300 a month, you might be losing on both brainpower and bank balance right now. Many seniors quietly use simple knitting sessions to stay sharp while their projects pay for groceries, gifts, even a small vacation each year. By the end of this video, you will know a simple knitting routine that may help keep your brain active, plus 3 specific ways seniors turn their projects into $50 to $300 a month. You will see how often to knit, what types of patterns challenge your memory in a good way, and where people your age are actually selling their work. If you have walked into a room and forgotten why, or lost a name that used to come instantly, you know how scary those moments feel after 60. Many people over 60 quietly worry, is this just normal aging, or the start of something worse, but do nothing different with their daily habits. At the same time, rising prices can make a fixed income feel smaller every single month, turning simple treats like eating out or buying gifts for grandkids into sources of stress. Many retirees end up dipping into savings faster than planned, sometimes losing thousands over a few years just to cover basics. Here is where it gets really important. A focused knitting routine of just 20 to 30 minutes a day can give your brain a regular workout through counting, pattern recall, and hand-eye coordination. Many people find that learning a new stitch or pattern every few weeks forces their memory to stay active, like giving the brain a puzzle instead of letting it drift. To get both brain and money benefits, you need the right mix of project and schedule, not random knitting whenever you feel like it. Many seniors do well with small items like hats, scarves, dishcloths, or baby booties, because these require counting rows and stitches but can be finished in a few evenings. Quick question for you. If you could choose only one benefit from knitting, would you pick sharper memory or an extra $200 a month? Think about your answer and type brain, money, or both in the comments so you remember your goal. Many people are surprised how quickly their motivation grows once they say it out loud and see others their age doing the same. Wait, this next part might save you hundreds of dollars a year if you are already giving your knitting away for free. Some seniors sell simple items like dishcloths or baby hats to friends, at church events, or local craft fairs for $5 to $20 each, often covering birthday gifts or utility bills with just a handful of sales a month. Many people over 60 quietly share that knitting helps them feel calmer, more focused, and less forgetful about small daily tasks, especially when they stick with it several times a week. Most people skip this and regret it later, because these quiet mistakes can turn a helpful habit into a frustrating one. Knitting for hours without breaks can strain your hands and shoulders, making you quit for weeks and lose both brain and money benefits. Before you start, ask yourself 3 quick questions. Will this project challenge me a little? Can I finish it within 2 weeks? And do I know exactly what I will do with it when it is done? If your answer is yes to all 3, you are far more likely to get steady brain stimulation and a realistic chance at extra income instead of another half-finished piece in a drawer.